Oh, come on out. Let's take a look.
Ready?
Ready for your surprise?
Ready?
Okay, all right.
Take your choice. Take your choice.
Oh, you got two? Are there two in there? For you and one for yourself?
What do you think,
What
bud?
do you think, bud? No, it doesn't look good.
That's your car.
That's your car.
You can ride that car.
What do you think?
Have you ever seen it?
Go ahead, you can get in the seat.
Is that the Noah-sized car you always wanted? What do you think?
And he has the helmet.
Give me a bag. I need to open the freezer.
He wants to open
It has an electric engine, Noah.
I think it's got an electric engine. I don't know if you can open and see the
I
engine.
don't think the front opens.
You got one too, Dane.
Dane,
Yes.
Dane's over
You're
here.
still sitting here, Zane.
Do you want to sit and steer it?
You can sit in it.
You can sit.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's your car.
You drive outside.
Your car. You get to drive it outside.
Do you want to sit in yours?
Look at that.
No, no.
Oh, look at that.
Zane,
No,
Zane,
no.
Zane, look at that.
Let me take it. Let me take it. Take a picture of it. Oh, no. Wait. You guys in there? We gotta move stuff out of the way if you're gonna tell them what the gas bill is.